Good morning, guys. Let's go ahead and get into it. Today is September 24th, 2021. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Give you guys some of the levels that we'll be looking at. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube as well. We would love to get back to you guys. But with that said, let's go ahead and start with S&P. We did have a nice movement down from those 44.25s. You see we broke some levels, went all the way below these 44.2150s that we had as an area of interest for support. Next level down, I'm looking to see the market try to come into the 44.0125. That is going to be my next level of support. So we'll keep that in mind. I think maybe we might get a little bit of a bounce here to rotate back up, but right around these 21 to 23s, I am anticipating maybe a little bit of resistance here in this area. So I'm going to keep that in mind. But if you're short, I think the short opportunity may go through and continue down into our level down below. 44.0125 is the next level of support, so keep that in mind. But just maybe some slight support coming in right off this low peak here, so may rotate right back up for those who like to counter trend trade. But with that, that's going to be what we're looking for on S&P. If we get back above 23, next level up 44.34, and then above that into those 44s, and then 53.50. We had a nice movement up, so we'll continue to look at the short continuation on the way down here. Let's move over to gold. Gold, we had some nice movement as well. Slightly popped up above some of our levels. Popped up above one of my levels, 1755.9, double topped and then started to rotate back down. So looking similar to S&P as we are pulling down. I do think that gold may end up pulling down to the deeper level, 1737.8, may catch a little bit of some support right off this neckline here, but keep in mind we'll probably look for the bigger target here, somewhere around these 1737.8s, and then below that 1725.9. If it wants to rotate back up, look for it to rotate back up here into the 1746.8 as well. That could be where we find the resistance here first, and then push a little bit lower. For those who want to be a little bit patient on that, that's going to be a good idea. And then moving over into crude oil, let's go ahead and take a look here. Crude oil looking similar as well. We got to a level of support, 73.01, but I do think crude oil may end up trying to break this. So if we get below this area, look for it to gradually try to pull down into these 72.60s, and then below that 72.47. Want to see if this thing can actually pull a little bit deeper. We did have some nice bounces during the London session for a push up, but we'll see if this thing can actually get a little bit deeper or use this support area here for a bounce and continue back up between this range. Sideways movement. So again, if we hold this support, we're going to buy low and sell high within this range, but bullish. So keep that in mind. This is the support right now. So if we can't break it, that's where you look for the long. If we do break it below, maybe come retest, fail to get back above it, then look for the short opportunity, 72.47 on crude oil. All right, guys, but that wraps that up for the market analysis. Let's go ahead and prepare for the open.